easiest ways to tie your wild rag, but it looks fabulous. And I love when I see men wearing this. I just think it looks so sharp too. So this is a great way to tie a wild rag for men and women. But this is our Cowboy Campfire from Cowtown Wild Rags. You can see the beautiful colors. And you can see with Cowtown Wild Rags, we are always double-sided full color print, unlike so many wild rags that show you a top that are printed on the top side, colorful on the top side, and then on the back, they leave you hanging with the pale, dull, unfinished backside. Not us, not ever. We always give you that vibrant print on both sides. And one thing about Cowtown Wild Rags I think people always comment is how they like having the sheen. There's a slight sheen on the top side, and then it's matted on the back side. So you can wear it however you want. A lot of times I do wear it on the matted side, so you can do it however you want. If I'm out in the sunshine and I know I'm gonna be in the sunshine, then I'll always wear it on this top side because the sunlight just bounces right off of this and it looks just incredible. So here's our Cowboy Campfire. I'm rolling it up, and you can see I could start from the two ends and I could roll in. That creates a really nice look. But because I'm just showing you really quickly how to roll it, I just folded it in a triangle, and I'm going to start from the small end and I'm going to roll it down. This is very simple to do, but you're creating a nice long roll so that your silk makes a really nice long line. If I would have started from the big end and rolled to the small, it would have created a really ruffled look here. So you want that nice line of silk. So I have that right there in half. I'm going to put this on the top of my wrist. You can see on the top of my wrist. I'm going to, you see how I have that hanging on top of my wrist? So I'm looking at the left and the right. It might be backwards if you're watching it. So I'm going to reach down with that same hand, making sure that the left stays on the left, the right stays on the right. The scarf that's on top of my hand, I'm going to pull over those two ends. That created a little scarf tunnel right here. See my thumb? I'm going to pick up one end. I'm going to go through the scarf tunnel to the opposite way, to the opposite side. Pick up the other side, going through the scarf tunnel, moving that one to the opposite side. So they each went through to the opposite side. Pull those two ends tight down, which creates a little loop right here for you. You're going to grab that loop with your thumb. You're going to release this part and force your scarf down. That's creating your two slide knots. And then you adjust. This also makes a great headband, in case you didn't know. So put that on. Put my hat back on. And I could wear them. I can wear them together. I could wear them apart. I could wear it with one end back behind. I could put them both back behind. But I like to wear mine with my ends together. So there you go. That's how you tie a slide knot scarf. Get your wild on with Cowtown Wild Rags.